Turbocharge your development workflow by seamlessly connecting the Lovable platform with the power of the cursor editor. First, navigate to the Settings section. Within your Lovable platform, look for an Integrations or Developer Tools area. This is where you'll find the option to connect external applications. Next, open your cursor editor and access its Settings or Preferences menu. You're looking for a section related to API keys or external services here. You'll need to generate or locate your personal API key from Lovable. Back in Lovable, copy your generated API key, then return to cursor and paste this key into the designated field within the integration settings. Make sure it's copied accurately to ensure a successful connection. Once the key is successfully entered, you should see confirmation within cursor. Now, you can start leveraging Lovable's project management features directly within your coding environment. Imagine easily accessing your Lovable projects and tasks right alongside your code. From within cursor, browse your Lovable project structure, view task boards, and even update task statuses without leaving your editor. This direct integration streamlines your workflow significantly. You can now associate specific code files or snippets directly with tasks in Lovable, providing context and improving collaboration. This means less context switching and more focused coding. This powerful connection between Lovable and cursor enhances your productivity by keeping all your development essentials in one unified space, leading to more efficient and seamless development.